Hello, it's Kevin here, talking to you about Google Docs being used as a collaborative writing tool. So I started to type up this document, kind of talking about some of the technologies that I want to learn just a little bit more about, which includes Schoology, PowerSchool, and Screencast-O-Matic. So my district actually just adopted and implemented the new LMS as well as the SIS. So both are full steam ahead. We're using them, and it's a lot. So I just talked about some of my issues with it and some of the benefits. I then shared it with my wife, who happens to be a teacher at the same school, and she gave some feedback. So you can see, actually, she has a couple comments here. She helps me with my grammar quite a bit. That's common. And then you can see here when I go to I clicked on the view history, we can see any edits that she made. So I originally created the document today at 11:13. She then gave me some feedback and some ideas about both of these tools that we're using, some of the benefits, some of the drawbacks, and maybe kind of where we're heading as a school and as a district.